This is the inland sea that's threatening rural communities in the north and northwest of Victoria, a state which at this stage of the southern summer is normally on wildfire alert rather than dealing with flooding. Right now the rising waters of the Murray River are threatening the community of Swan Hill, 210 miles away from the state capital Melbourne. They've already affected over 75 towns in Victoria, with over 1,700 properties hit by some kind of water damage. With the floods not expected to peak until the middle of the week, several hundred local residents have evacuated their homes, while others have been sandbagging the town in the hope of limiting the destruction. With time still to make them stronger, the hope is that the levees will hold. But there have been reports in the town of some residents stealing sandbags to protect their own properties. One thing that hasn't been affected by the floods is the annual cycling race, the Tour Down Under. Competitors from the event took part in a fundraising ride for the flood victims, led by the 7-time Tour de France winner Lance Armstrong, who this past weekend retired from competitive racing. With the floodwaters inundating many of Australia's main food bowls, fruit and vegetable prices are already rising. The government is describing this as the most costly natural disaster in Australian history and has raised the possibility of a one-off flood tax to help pay for the reconstruction. Nick Bryant, BBC News, Sydney.